Okay, so I had this new configuration pretty much designed and executed yesterday and set it up last night and still standing, so that's a good sign. I've got a couple of innovations, I think. Hose clamps. I can adjust the hose clamps anywhere on that pole there so that can have the right tension. Same thing here. So I can move the hose clamp and then tie that into there. And I made these little bases here that the pole sits in, and those shouldn't move too much because I have them tied into my little tie thing here. And this is something unique. I have a piece of travertine here that I got from Ash Fork that I use as like a temporary, or in this case is overnight, instead of tying down cords. So anyway, as long as it's not too windy, I think this will work.